Bernabelle, actress,
You're a sleeping soldier.
entrepreneur, mother. How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So tell me, who is Bernabelle?
Whew. Still trying to figure that out. But as you could see, I'm a very shy person. Extremely shy. I'm an introvert by nature, but passion and good energy draw me out. I am able to, be myself in a good environment around good people. And if I have passion for something, you wouldn't believe that I'm an introvert. But by nature, I'm an introvert. I'm an entrepreneur. I like doing my own thing. But I've been a teacher for 17 years. And I'm completing my master's in business administration. I did mental health nursing, nurse aid. Also finishing up real estate. I'm a paralegal. I do social work. So, yeah.
You're quite multifaceted.
Yeah.
How do you balance all of these different aspects of Verna, all of these different areas?
I think because I'm a loner and I'm always looking for the next thing to do. So while others may have a friend they go out and interact with, I'm the kind of person who find the next thing to study. Maybe it's an obsession. Maybe it's good and maybe it's not. I don't know. But I'm always looking for the next thing to make me a better person. And family life, growing up, and family now is helps to drive me in that direction of who I am.
I love that. So you spoke about passion, right? You're also a very shy person. How do you balance, your passion and your shyness in relation to your acting?
As I said, good energy, good people helps to bring that out to me. I didn't even know I had acting skills. This is the only way you can stop me. Thanks to Orville, I know a little bit more about myself. And with his guidance, I'm able to bring that part of me out. So I'm happy to have found myself in this group, a part of the Bartender family, where I can learn and experience another side of me that I didn't know exists. So balancing it, it's like a step away from the everyday. For me, it's like a break from the everyday life, everyday thing that I have to do. So for me, it's refreshing. I can not focus on all the other stuff that I have to do when I'm here over here, like playing Cadalios. That's what
So you play this character, Pearl. What would you consider to be the major difference between Verna and Pearl? Or if you find any similarities between
a lot
the
of
two?
similarities, that's why I couldn't find the differences. Because to be well-rounded, it takes a person who's driven, focused, daring, going after what you want. And Pearl is that. And it would require also to be able to fit into environment and situation. So you have to change a little you here and there to adjust to whatever situation and environment.
To have adaptability.
Yes. So I can identify with a lot of her persona, her character. Pearl is kind of a little bit evil. I think I have a little of that. What? You remember the shot in the head? You don't get it, do you? You died today for what you did to me. Soldier, get ready. So I'm yet to figure out what's not there. Still searching.
I think we're all still searching in some ways.
Yeah.
As humans, I think we are susceptible to, tap into our darkest selves.
Yes.
It's however they choose to manifest themselves, right?
Exactly.
But I hear you speak of, your passion. I wanted to know if you had a passion for acting prior to you being introduced to this web series.
I've thought about it. I have thought about it, but never thought that I would have gotten the opportunity to do it. So this just fall in unexpectedly. So yes, I've thought about it.
And would you consider pursuing acting?
Yes, I like it. I really like it. As I said, I didn't know I had this in me, but it's something I like. Did they send you here to talk me down? I have adopted to it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And what type of films would you consider getting into?
More of mystery.
You like mystery?
Yes. More of mystery. As I said, I do paralegal, do law, do social work. So I'm a problem-solving kind of person. So anything that has to do with mystery and drama and stuff is me. That's me.
You just mentioned your paralegal work. How long have you been in that space?
A year and a half, 2 years basically. I have done that. I like it, but prior to that, I was pursuing my law degree. So I was a second-year law student. I just deterred into paralegal because financial reasons. Doing law, studying law is not necessarily the cheapest. So segue into paralegal. But I love it. It helps you to think outside the box. When you come on to everyday life. It helps you to be more mindful of your actions as well. So for me, that's it.
You mentioned real estate as well.
Yeah.
How's that journey been?
Still on it. Because I have to do my licensing. So I've done studying. I just need to do my exam to do my licensing. For that, it ties in with paralegal, which is why I did it. Because I like conveyancing. So yeah, I'm not finished, soon be finished within another couple of months. I'm finished studying, but just to do my exam, to do my licensing, and I'm done. But yeah, it ties in with paralegal and law and all of that. So it's a good thing for me, and it's something that I can do on the side with everything else.
Makes sense. Like this space that we are in. Where are we right now, by the way?
Well, this is Yard Style Car Wash and Lounge. Try to make it a very convenient place for persons can come and chill, relax, eat good food, and have their car washed. So that's what it is.
And this location is sometimes it sponsors the web series as well.
Yes,
so I'm sure viewers will be like, oh yeah, I definitely know that space.
Yeah.
How long have you been on this endeavor?
Not too long. 8 months. Very young.
I would have suspected maybe longer.
No.
Really?
8 months.
8 months?
Yeah.
Wow.
Still a baby. Still nurturing it.
Quite cool and comfy.
Yeah, thank you.